Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about the eyez-on modules. If you guys ain't familiar with this is what you connect to the to your DC panel, so you could have remote access to it, controlled by the app, arm, disarm your alarm system. So I got a few people that did ask me about it, how to default it. They forgot their login or the IP address and stuff like that. So this is version 3, and version 4, it's almost similar to reset it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to reset the Envisalink 3, and then I'll show you how to do the version 4. So to do it, what I recommend is a little jumper, something like this. This is actually 16.2 speaker wire, and I'll explain to you why I prefer to use this, because it's kind of tricky to reset this. So because there's a whole bunch of fibers inside this wire, if the camera focuses, it makes it a lot easier to do the connection, not worry to short out the board. So what you want to do is locate the red. We're going to just remove the red, kill the power, and the jumper. See these 5 pins here? What you want to do is you're going to jam pin 2 in the wire. Because there's so much wire in there, and you're going to do pin 5, which is the last one. This way, as you can see, it is not touching any other pins, which you don't want, because then you could short it out and damage your board. So you're going to do it like that. Alarm's beeping because it lost communication to it. So now we're going to connect the red wire back. I'm just going to hold it, I'm not going to tighten it. You'll hold it for about 10 seconds. And what you're going to do is release the red wire again. Pull out your jumper. Connect the red wire back up. And once it boots it back up, that's it. Now it's factory default. So the only thing this thing does is basically change your username and password. If it's registered on the actual website, that does not clear the MAC address. That only clears the username and password, so it allows you to log in, do your modifications, the login for the app, and everything else like that. Okay, so that's how you reset version 3. Now I'm going to show you how to do the latest, which is version 4. So in version 4, there it goes, hopefully focuses, there you go. So here's the Envisalink 4, and here's your 5 pins, but on 4 you do not touch these pins. Don't do anything with those pins. If you look right here where it says RST, So what you want to do is, if you grab your little screwdriver or a set of wires, what you want to do is you want to put on top and touch those two together. I've done it with the screwdriver and it works perfect. You could do this one powered up. It's not an issue. I probably recommend you doing it powered on with the red wire connected. You do it, you'll see it, it'll reset itself. These lights here will start blinking, and once they do, once again it resets. So right there. So that's all you gotta do. Just gotta make sure those two things are, you have some type of contact on there, and you'll see these lights will shut off, then they'll come back on. When they do, just remove your screwdriver or remove the jumper, and that's it, and it'll be reset. And that's how you reset the Envisalink version 3 and version 4. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.